Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja. Today, we're diving into the world of English grammar, focusing on a particularly fascinating aspect, the future perfect tense. Have you ever wondered how to express actions that will be completed by a specific point in the future? Well, that's exactly what we'll explore together. Whether you're preparing for an English test or just aiming to refine your language skills, understanding the future perfect tense is key. So, let's get started and enhance your English proficiency. The future perfect tense is unique in that it helps us communicate clearly about future actions that will be completed before a certain time. This tense can signal deadlines, expectations, and plans. To form the future perfect, we use the structure we'll have followed by the past participle of the verb. For instance, if I say, by the end of this month, I will have completed my project, I'm indicating that my project will be finished before the month ends. It's all about setting that definitive mark in the future. Let's examine some examples to deepen our understanding. Imagine you have a big presentation coming up. You might say, by next week, I will have prepared for my presentation. This clearly suggests that the preparation will be done before next week. Also, take note of the time markers we often use with this tense. Phrases like by tomorrow, by the end of the year, or before 8 p.m. help us pinpoint when the action will be completed. Not only do these markers guide the listener, but they also enhance clarity in our communication. This is particularly important in both academic and professional contexts where precision is crucial. For instance, imagine you're managing a project at work. You might say, by the time the deadline arrives, we will have finished the report. Here, it's crystal clear that the report needs to be completed on or before the deadline. Understanding when to use the future perfect is just as vital as knowing how to form it. It helps us convey our intentions for the future while maintaining clarity and structure in our communication. If we compare this tense to the future continuous, we see a distinct difference. The future continuous tense talks about ongoing actions in the future, like saying, I will be studying at 8 p.m. tonight. However, the future perfect focuses on actions that will be completed by a certain time, like by 9 p.m., I will have finished studying. This difference in focus can sometimes be confusing, but it's essential to grasp when to use each tense appropriately. As you practice, pay close attention to identifying sentences that fit the future perfect tense structure. For instance, you might come across a sentence that says, by 2025, the company will have expanded its market presence. This indicates an expectation of completion regarding company expansion by the year 2025. The emphasis here is on the accomplishment that will occur before the specified time. Let's also address the common mistakes learners make with the future perfect tense. Often, students forget to use the past participle form of the verb, which can lead to incorrect constructions. A sentence like, I will have eat the food is incorrect because the past participle of eat is eaten. So the correct sentence should be, I will have eaten the food. Always double-check your verb forms to ensure accuracy. Recognizing incorrect uses of the future perfect tense can be very helpful for learners. If someone says, by next year, I will have work on my skills, it's incorrect. Remember, the correct structure requires the past participle, which makes the sentence by next year, I will have worked on my skills. Such clarity not only improves your grammar but also boosts your confidence in using English. To solidify your grasp of the future perfect tense, consider integrating it into your daily conversations. For instance, you can set personal goals and articulate them in the future perfect tense, such as this time next month, I will have read 5 books. This not only aids in learning but also encourages you to think about your accomplishments and deadlines. Also, exploring different contexts can help reinforce your knowledge. Think about how you might express future accomplishments in various scenarios, from personal development to workplace deadlines. It can be enlightening to see how versatile this tense is across different themes and settings. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned about the future perfect tense. This tense is perfect for expressing actions that will be completed by a specific future time. Remember, it follows the structure will have plus the past participle of the verb. Using time markers like by next week or by the time I finish enhances clarity. Being able to distinguish the future perfect from the future continuous is also crucial, as each serves a different purpose in our communication. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use this tense in your daily conversations to build your confidence. Every time you practice, you're taking another step towards mastering English grammar. Thank you for joining us today on Spelling Bee Ninja. We hope this lesson on the future perfect tense has been both enlightening and enjoyable. Language is a powerful tool, and mastering its nuances opens doors to clearer communication. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more confident in your English skills. Until next time, happy learning.